I'm Amy Tarkington, and we're going to talk about how to forecast your jobs using HeavyJob. So here on the forecasting summary page, HeavyJob can show you the total budgeted labor hours and the final forecasted labor hours on your project. You can also see the difference between the forecasted cost and the budgeted cost. To see more detail, you can go into each cost code, and from here, you can forecast out how that particular item will finish on cost and on revenue. All of your cost codes are listed on this page, which makes it really easy for you to filter out any information that you might not need. Now you have a clear view of the information based on to-date's values. And you can see that you're over budget on this specific item, so you might want to see how you did to date compared to your previous forecast. You can use the unit override. You can forecast total dollars. You can even take it down to the crew level and change the crew production to get your units remaining. At the crew level, you can look at your time card information and change your production hours to come up with different dollar per unit for your remaining quantities. You can forecast 3 different ways in HeavyJob. You can take the current forecast dollars per unit for your remaining quantities. You can change it to forecast total dollars. This would be for your lump sum items. Or if you never want to change that dollar amount, or you want to do just your to-date per unit, you can do a straight line forecast. You can do this on a cost code by cost code basis, or you can set this as a default for your entire forecast. HeavyJob shows you the dollar amounts and your revenue totals on this project. Once you go through each item, you can easily say that you've reviewed these items and then go to your reporting. HeavyJob has predefined reports that are based on budgeted dollars, forecast remaining, and differences from your bid, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel using spreadsheets each month. And now you have this really concise report that you can use instead of going through pages and pages. You can see really easily your budgeted dollars, your final forecast and cost, and your difference between the forecast and your budget. Using the forecasting tool in HeavyJob, you can forecast your expected costs to complete the job right down to the cost code, so you know exactly what you need to adjust to stay on budget.